So this is Puddles, and we're taking him on the trail, and we're gonna see how he does. Right, Madeline?
Right.
Here we go.
Can you not sit that way?
Hi, Sugar. We're just cooling him down. We're gonna need to brush him after this.
Is that a trail?
I think so. We've never been on this trail before.
Well, we thought you could go that way, but you can't.
Is this a long trail or a short trail?
Short.
Have you ridden back in here?
No, but we watched the people who did.
Are you allowed to take cash back through here?
Yeah. This is so exciting. Yeah, I know. I'm surprised. This is a really boring vlog.
Yeah, sorry about that. But
Tell me something interesting, Madeline.
yeah.
We shouldn't give out our ages online, though.
I'm sorry.
I'll bleep it out with the sound effect.
It was my birthday.
It was her, yeah.
Yeah,
Alright.
like
If you just heard a weird sound effect a few seconds ago, we were bleeping out her age, because we don't want the world to know how old she is, because that's just
what?
weird.
It is. Trust us. Walk around.
Look at the
We're
greenery.
about to see Cash in a minute.
See, fields. I just feel like there's going to be a snake that's going to pop out. Don't you?
What?
Don't you feel like there's going to be a snake that's just going to pop out?
The owners lost this yesterday.
Yeah. Here we go to a less noisy part. Maybe you can actually hear me talking.
Sugar, stop honking.
And Sugar is Madeline's dog. Back there. And, oh, there's Cassie.
Hey, Cash.
Hey, baby.
Where does this go?
It just goes around and back to the car.
Hey, baby. He's so pretty.
Oh,
This is Puddle's reaction to the trail.
this dog is so dumb. Will choke itself to death.
Here, Cash. Hey, baby.
I'm going to run her into that electric fence if she don't quit pulling.
It's Cash and Ansel.
One of those cats?
That's Cash. Hi. He's like, why aren't you coming to get me?
Right.
He's smiling up. He's like, hey, brother.
Looks like he's got saddle pad mark.
Zane, go away.
But Zane is so cute. Oh well, let's keep on going along our trail.
They're just going to follow us now.
They are. But it's more fun. Puddles. Hi, Zane. Hi, guys.
Sugar's going to die.
Sugar.
Pulling so hard.
Alright, I'm only going to keep this on for another minute because it's almost been 5 minutes, so it's going to be a long vlog.
Not really. We're already halfway done.
So. Guys, you going to keep coming? Guess not. Oh, dang.
But there's a fence.
Yeah, there's a fence. Oh, hi, dog.
Exit puddles from the screen.
Can I walk him soon?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, you can walk him now. So.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so here, let me show you the view if you were on puddles.
Don't put my thing on it. Yay, you're on puddles.
Okay, guys, we will see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.